Hello and welcome back to Speedy Guides. In today's video, I will show you how you can get custom fonts in Roblox. So custom fonts are basically like instead of having the normal font in here, you can actually change the font to have it as custom as you want it. You can have different fonts and customize them the way you want. So how can we do that? First of all, you would need to install Blockstrap. So this mode actually gives more features and additional useful functions to the game. So it is verified, don't worry about it, you can download it free and open source through GitHub. So click here to download it for Windows, and as you can see it should be something like this. Open it and it must install or update .NET. For me, I need this one, so I click on next so I can install .NET. This error will not be for everyone, just for those who are missing a couple of these Windows basic files as me. So I will click on it and then I should click on install, and this should install this program for me. Here we go. So once you install it, this should be very easy and simple. So now as I have installed it, I can click on this one, and if there was any other thing to download, it should download. So now I'm gonna choose English as my language, and here we go. So now let's go through the next button, and here choose it where you want it to be. Choose where to install. Here we go. Shortcuts, start menu icon, install, and simply just click on install. Here I'm simply gonna install and launch Roblox, and there we go. So now while it is downloading, simply just go to any free download font website. I'm gonna go with the font and simply choose whatever font you would like to have inside the game. For example, Blue Winter, Fresh Lemonade, anything you want. Click on download and wait a little bit for it to download. Here we have it needed to start, so we simply have to wait for it. And usually it should have an icon. Yep, here it is. And the actual basically desktop, you can go to the properties and go to file location. And as you can see here, this is where you find the actual app. So go to downloads and simply here, just put the font that you want. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can add the font to your Roblox. It's very easy, very simple. And yeah, if you like this video, guys, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And see you guys in the next upcoming video.